Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing some cooking for the family and also Mr. John, Saturday night's dinner and also Sunday dinner, so stay tuned guys.
I think it's gonna be cheese pizza though. Mom, Mr. John is gonna be so happy.
Moving on to the sausage. The sausage. Look at
I
that.
wanna find. Oh, you wanna find me?
Maya, shh. Look at that, guys.
Pizza Hut back in the days in the United
Oh,
States.
you used to work at Pizza Hut? You should like Pizza Hut.
I'm a wake up out of my dream.
Okay guys, so this one is finished. We're gonna cut up this one so Mr. John can get his dinner. Guys, 3 lovely slices of pizza. Yep. And some juice, and that's dinner from Mr. John. So Junior is seasoning up the fish from tonight. So we're gonna blend up some seasoning. Scallion and thyme. What's it down there, Sean? Sweet pepper, onion, garlic and ginger. Just gonna blend them and throw on the fish. Sorry guys, the flash wasn't on, I didn't know that I didn't have on flash. Now we got light. So that's Mr. John's fish. Yep. No. Wow, that smells good. And leave that to marinate overnight in the fridge, guys. This is going to taste good tomorrow. That's a big chef, you know.
These are going to bake, right?
Bake, yeah.
You can still put the bananas in.
Yeah, pretty nice, yeah. Put them here and put them in this. So you can use some of the season for the younger one's chicken.
Okay.
So that's my fish. Look at my fish big, some my fish big, some my fish big. My fish are going with things. That's fuzzy fish.
Take a little fish now.
What would take little fish?
You know love big fish.
You love big fish, you love little fish. You love big fish, go ahead. I miss that, John.
You mix me up in your conversation.
Oh man, that's my season for the chicken, Sean.
You know what I want to. So this one go nice.
Try open up, not sure. It's Mr. John's zone, guys. Yep. Mr. John won't cover everything else in the plate. He cover one sheet over the plate, not true?
Yes, sir.
Go be borrowing your phone.
Why?
Not for long, first.
Okay, that's well ready now to go in the fridge.
Secondly, I was going to
Now
ask
Junior going to do for the younger ones, Maya and Jordan. We're not going to give them any fish. Just give them chicken. So guys, what we're doing is trying to prepare everything from tonight because tomorrow we're going to have to go and buy Miss Sharon in the morning. So we prepare the stuff from tonight. So tomorrow we when we come home we just can cook early. I mean easily. Yes guys, so we're cooking up some dinner. That fish is for Mr. John. Yep, look at that. Mr. John did not turn up today. Gungo look like this, like red peas, not sure. Gungo, fish smells good. So the kids want theirs to be fried. The junior wants his to be fried. Mine is going to be baked. Okay guys, so Ozzy is now doing the fish for me. I want mine to be baked. Ozzy is the one doing all the cooking from the other day because the girl is not feeling well. I am feeling like really sick. So Ozzy is doing the cooking for me, for the family, and that is awesome. So he's putting on carrots and onions, scallion, and I also want some cabbage on it. Yeah, and use some butter. This tasted so good, guys, so good. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we are sharing Mr. John's dinner. Yes, we did fish and vegetable. This is steamed vegetable. The fish and the rice can't put in the same thing. They can't hold in the same thing because the fish is big. So we have to put the fish in one. It's a big fish, guys. Look at that. Really big fish. So we have to put the fish in one plate and then put the rice in another. I'm also going to put the mashed. You put something in it already? Oh yeah, the yam salad. No, put it in the something there. So put the yam salad.
Rice, plate it by itself.
Oh, put the yam salad in this then. You sure? Alright, put it in there.
I can put the lettuce and tomato in that.
In that one. But lettuce and tomato could go on there. Put all vegetable and something over that side. Now give Mr. John too much now, you know if he's storing it and he can't eat after the rest. This fish alone have full Mr. John belly this evening now, guys. Mr. John, you have food to eat so too. Alright guys, so Mr. John dinner is ready. Well packed. Get that bag now.
You used it already.
Alright guys, so Mr. John dinner is on the way. Yes sir. Look out for Mr. John now because one day I may get old myself. You never know what may happen. So my mother always teach me to make sure look out for others. I grew up around my mommy and she always help out people. When my mother cook for her pot, she feeds so many people sometimes we wonder. So her blessing becomes my blessing and becomes my kids' blessing. So with that, I want to encourage you guys to help anyone that you see need help. Because whatever you do, your kids benefit from it and your grandkids benefit from it. Yes, blessing to you guys. Thank you. So, I know you enjoy it. Have a lovely evening, alright?